lawyers, there are types of lawyers. Yes, there are types of lawyers, especially in Metro Manila. You have corporate lawyers, you have criminal defense lawyers, you have tax lawyers, you have procurement lawyers, you have government lawyers, marami naman, di ba? But it's not like if you're in the medical field, it's not like in the medical field wherein kailangan mo ng specialty, magsa-subspec ka. Dito kasi wala. Just pick a field and then focus on that every 4 years. And hanggang sa magka-experience ka sa field na yun at matuturing ka ng expert. Because sometimes if you choose to be a tax lawyer, puro tax lang yung mga subjects nyo. So ang cases nyo. So if you're in Manila, you can intern or you can be an associate in a tax law firm. So yung mga cases nyo, puro tax law lang. So if you're in a corporate law firm, so corporate lang yung mga kaso nyo. Okay, so pag medyo nasa probinsya ka, medyo Swiss Army knife ka,